Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are making red velvet puffs. So in here I am weighing out my flour, and then afterwards I will go ahead and add the rest of the dry ingredients. Now I will go ahead and add my sugar and then my milk. I was supposed to add a little bit of cocoa powder, but I forgot, so don't forget to add it when you are making yours. And then I added my yeast and a little bit of salt. So I'll go ahead and mix everything well before adding my wet ingredients. Now that everything is mixed well, I am adding water bit by bit. Just be careful not to add too much of water so that your puff puff batter doesn't become too runny. I added a total of 1.5 cup to this recipe. I wanted the batter to be a little bit thick because the moment it rises up, it will loosen up a bit. So I am now adding my red food coloring and I am mixing it so that everything blends very well. As you can see, my batter is ready. This is the right consistency I was looking for. So I will just go ahead and cover it up and keep it in a warm place and let it rise for about like 30 to 1 hour. So the batter is ready and I've already heated up my oil. So I'll go ahead and start frying the puff puff. Okay guys, we are done. Just take a look at this puff puff. They look so good and they tasted good as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.